Okay, stop. Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and in today's we're going to be going off-road with my wife Elise in one of our new Land Cruisers. She's going to be doing the off-roading, so hopefully you guys like the content. Let's get into it. Okay, we are off-roading in the Land Cruiser, more like dirt roading. And you said it was kind of bumpy on the way in. It was very bumpy for me.
Yeah, it was pretty bumpy.
But we lowered the PSI down to 25 for most of them, 24 in one of them, I suppose. So we'll see how that is. But the whole goal of today is for you to see if you need Raptor suspension for our future off-roading adventures, because we're just basically, if you don't know, we're deciding what vehicle we're going to use as our off-road family car. So we're deciding if it's going to be one of the Land Cruisers, if it's going to be the Bronco, or something.
How fast do I go?
Something else. So in this car, I would say, I mean so the faster you go, the less bumpy it feels.
Right.
I'd say you could go like 40-ish. But just understand that it's going to be kind of floaty. So, and there's going to be up and down.
Yeah. Well, now I understand the appeal of going very fast on dirt roads. I'm not going to call this off-roading yet, but I get it now.
It actually handles the bumps pretty well, I think. Okay, here you're going to slow down quite a bit because it's a harder turn. It looks, I think this is maybe this is the soft one. There's one that looks like it's not going to be that bad, and then it just goes, yeah. I almost flew off one time, that's how I know.
But he's still standing.
Yeah, apparently.
Sitting.
Yes, sitting.
Yeah.
And I will say, with all that, I got the air compressor and everything in my feet, not the most comfortable passenger area.
No, and the lumbar support is lacking.
Oh.
But Ben's muscles are so big, he doesn't even notice.
Oh boy. What I will say is it's so green out here.
It is so green out here.
I don't think I've ever seen it this green in my entire life, and I probably will never see it this green again. This is 2 years of more water than we usually get.
Yeah. I was skeptical on the way coming out here that it would actually be a good time, day to go off-roading.
Oh yeah, she thought it was going to be muddy and everything.
I thought it was going to be nasty out because it's snowing where we live and raining on the way out here, and it was really windy at one point, and then we get almost exactly out here and it's like, woohoo!
And I said, welcome to Utah. Because that's how Utah works, is the weather's horrible and then it just stops.
Yeah, apparently.
And there's these walls. I call them weather walls. Oh, this is the one. This is the one that's sharp.
Well, we're only going 30, so I'll be able to slow down pretty good.
Yeah. And this is actually where we're going to go on our first off-road. So slow down here quite a bit. Whoa! That's fine. That wasn't bad.
You're the one making
Okay, so
noises.
slow down a lot. Like a lot. Like almost a stop, because we're going to go down that trail right there.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. So take it like very, very slow, because
What about those giant rocks in the way?
that's why you can take it slow. So these rocks right here, if we go too fast, then the front end will come down onto the rocks. Personal experience. Yeah. So this is where we're going. Yeah, even slower.
I'm going slower.
Just basically crawling, and we're just in 4-wheel high for now. Yeah, this is fun, isn't it?
A little bit, yeah. I was skeptical.
Woo! It's like going down a steep
I
driveway.
think it would be more fun if there weren't a baby in the back.
She's sleeping though. She's fine.
For now. She also gets car sick, so we'll see how this goes.
Oh yeah, I could imagine that. This is pretty nice though.
It's really green. Last time we were out here, I was pregnant with Tiny back there. So it's been a hot minute. It's been like 2 years.
Oh, this will be your first articulation. Do. So you're gonna want to take it super slow on this part.
What if I'm a daredevil?
More like you'll just clip the front end and then I'll have to buy a new bumper.
Daredevil.
It articulates well.
It does.
Land Cruiser's fun. This is fun.
Okie dokie. How slow do I go?
Yeah, just take. Yeah, this is fine. This is a good speed.
Fine, because I don't want to get stuck on the hump. Whee! Up, down.
Yeah, not even 4-wheel. Land Cruiser's a tank.
Up, wee. What's nice is it's like floating on the ocean, but you can't drown.
Yeah, because it's just sand. Yeah, I went over this too fast with the 4Runner TRD Pro, and I didn't break anything on it, but like I thought I broke something on it. Because there was like a clunking sound. And
Oh man.
so I learned my lesson. And this is literally like 90% of off-roading.
I'm enjoying myself, but I'm enjoying myself as a driver. I don't enjoy myself as a passenger. I think it's a control thing because you can't control the speed or, you know.
If I wasn't holding the camera, it'd be a little bit more enjoyable for me.
You can put the camera down.
Eh.
We don't have to document the entire experience.
Well, we're not going on a super long trail. Plus, this is more terrain. Look at that. Skill out. I hit my head in the window. Hey, both hands on the steering wheel. Oh, by the way, your thumbs are supposed to be, like up.
Oh.
So the reason that this has hydraulic steering, so this is actually important for this type of steering. Do not go over there. That's where I got stuck one time. Go over here.
This is gonna go over there.
So with hydraulic steering, it can snap back. Now, nothing we're doing is going to cause that, but it can snap back, and if your thumbs are wrapped around, then it'll break your wrists.
Sick.
It's happened to people. Yeah, so this is sometimes a mud pit, and I got a Sequoia TRD Pro stuck in it.
You want to go watch that video?
Yeah, that was fun. We had to get pulled out by some Jeeps and some winches. Look at this.
Green desert.
And then, yeah, turn on this one. Or you can go straight. Yeah, you can go straight too.
You should have given me directions before.
This one will actually be cool because it'll test for me at least, this will show me how good the ground clearance is. Because the Land Cruiser's only has like 8.9 inches of ground clearance, but with the 32s...
Now you're making me nervous.
Oh! I'll go look at it outside. Just
park?
Yeah, just park for now. I'll let you know if you're good. Okay, so very slowly, just come forward a little bit. Yep, keep coming. Keep coming. Straight, no, keep the wheel straight. Keep the wheel straight. Turn the wheel so it's straight. Yep, keep it straight. And just slow. Okay, stop. You make sure your brake over. Okay, so the front end's good. So let me see if I can see from the other end too. Yeah, I can see from this end too. So just take it slow. Keep coming forward.
You want me to go straight?
Yeah, just keep going straight. Okay, stop. A little bit too fast. Let me go check. Well, folks, we officially bottomed out with the butt end. Just keep going straight forward. Just take it real slow. Yep, it's fine. It's a big beast. That was hilarious. I'm not the best spotter, I will say that, but that was good. Side slope. Side slope.
Doesn't look like it on camera.
Yeah, it does, because I'm taller than you now.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's true.
You're
You're
looking-
taller than me anyway.
Yeah, I'm looking into the abyss. Well, I'm talking about like seating wise. What do you think about the Land Cruiser off-road? Is it comfortable enough?
Probably. We'll have to switch places so I can see if I'm comfy over there.
Oh, true. And we'll see the Bronco too. Well,
Bye.